video. We're back on the 1965 Honda Cub build, and it's time to start on the motor build. We got rid of the 1965 50cc motor, and I went on eBay and found this 1982 Honda C70 motor. So I went ahead, I split the cases, and now it's time to try to clean these cases up before we build the motor up. I picked up a buffing machine at Harbor Freight with the 20% discount coupon. This came out just under 46 bucks. I picked up some 8-inch Scotch-Brite wheels to go on the Harbor Freight buffing machine, which has a 1/2-inch arbor. So they have many different sizes with a center hole, so I chose the 1/2-inch to match my machine. I picked these up for 4 bucks a piece, and I'll put a link down in the description where you can find these. So we'll give that a shot on this motor and see what we can do to clean it up. I've never done this before, so this will be a bit of an experiment. I think first we'll try some of these SOS pads. I've had really good luck with these, shining up aluminum on the CRF I had, on the frame, on the swing arm, on the motor. It does a really good job. So we'll give that a shot first. Then I've had really good luck with this mag wheel cleaner on aluminum as well. And these center plate cases are aluminum. You just don't want to get this on anodized aluminum or steel. So we'll play with this as well, and then we'll probably finish off with the buffing machine and the 8-inch Scotch-Brite wheels.
This is trying just the SOS pad by itself.
Okay, that was about a minute of scrubbing, and it cleaned it up a little bit, but we want to do much better than that. Okay, now we'll try the mag wheel cleaner.
I gave the cases a couple of coats of the mag wheel cleaner, and I let it sit for a few minutes in between coats. The SOS pad by itself, or paired with the mag wheel cleaner, turned out to be a great way to get the years of grime off those cases in preparation for the Scotch-Brite wheel.
So I switched out the 8-inch pad for a 6-inch pad I had, and we're going to give that a shot. Alright guys, it turned out really well for me spending just a very minimal amount of time on this. I'm really surprised at how quickly it cleaned up. After I split the cases, I degreased it. Then we went out with the SOS pad and the mag wheel cleaner. That kind of helped get some of the grime off. It really didn't do much other than clean it. These Scotch-Brite wheels made a huge difference when trying to clean that up. Midway through, if you remember, I switched to the 6-inch wheel that I had, and that was to get into some of these tighter areas. And I think next time I'd probably start out with the 6-inch wheel and then transition to the 8 when I'm just trying to finish it up. And then just going over it by hand at the end, it turned out well. I'm really pleased with how well it turned out. I picked up this aluminum channel on eBay. I think it was shipped for about $15 or $16. It's 1 inch tall by 2 inches wide. And then I just used some 400 grit sandpaper. I just used that to sand this case face, clean it up, get rid of the old gasket material, and get it all prepped for new gaskets. If you buy the equipment to do this yourself like I did, you'll save yourself some money versus paying someone else to do it. And then you'll have all the equipment to do more projects in the future. Hopefully this video will help you with some of your future projects, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.